Hello and welcome to the tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can add text to your video in DaVinci Resolve. First thing you need to do is make sure that you're on the timeline page. That's this one down here. Then make sure that your effects are up. That's this button up here, and it'll bring this up down below. Then as you go down this list just here, you'll see titles. It's pretty easy. It pops out straight away. Then you get all these options here. What we're interested in is this one here, just plain old text. I'm going to drag that in, and we want it to be the same length as the video. You can actually make it shorter or longer by holding the left mouse button and doing this. Then we're going to click on it and go to our inspector up in the right hand side. If you don't see this window, there's a button here that says inspector. Just click that and then this will pop up. We can go in and type in any word that we want. So we'll put in Greenfield, and we can change the size by going down and see this size button here. Just increase that in size. Now, quick tip for you: if you hold the Control key while you're doing that, it'll actually be a bit smoother rather than, because it's quite sensitive, that button. Right, I actually don't like the text on this, and DaVinci doesn't have a spell checker built in. So what I do is I create a document and then copy it and bring it into DaVinci this way, and then you know that you've got the right spelling of the word. That's what happens when you have dyslexia. Now, to change the font, what we can do here, where it says font family here, we go to this drop down menu here, and as you can see, as I scroll down, it's showing all the fonts, and I like that one, so I'm going to keep with that one. And now I want to change the color, and that's actually quite easy to do as well. Just click on this white dot here. It'll bring up this color palette, and you can just click inside here, and as you can see, I'm moving around. I'm going to make it about that color there and hit OK. So hopefully that video was helpful. In the next video, I'm going to show you how you can animate your text. See you then.